Welcome back to the Adventures of the Average Joe. This is a normal Saturday in the land of smiles with What are you doing now? Change machine? Tippy toeing. How much does it cost?
40 baht. $1 and something.
26 minutes. Now I'll have a coffee somewhere I never had a coffee yet. We're going across the street to CJ's. They have a cafe there. We came in there getting a delivery nonetheless. Look, they even got motorcycle parking. It's like a convenience store with this cafe we're going to. What's the prices? We'll try it next time their coffee machine's down. Okay, so we're gonna go to the cafe next to Big C instead of CJ. So here's the laundromat. That's where we were gonna go, but their coffee machine's down. So instead, we're gonna go to Mini Big C, and right next door to Mini Big C is a coffee shop. And I'm sure she'll be appreciative of the business.
Just tell me what you want to see.
Mocha long?
Mocha. What?
Yeah.
Is it?
And here's their menu. Yeah, it's so close. Cheers. Oh yeah.
See how big the cup is.
Pretty good.
How big the cup is. How big.
It's not too bad. It's a medium, small, I guess. Small medium. But it tastes pretty good. It's got the right amount of mocha in it. And we're right here next to the Big C, so that's cool. definitely a good coffee. Let's stop here and get drinks. That basket weighs more than her. And how much does this one cost? 50. That's not bad. That's a pretty good price. Big drive. Make sure you're on the right one. See that arrow? Two minutes, almost done. It's done. All we gotta do, grab some food on the way home and we're good for the day. Thank you, honey, for doing the laundry. Typical me, I left the key in the bike. Thank God we're in Thailand. We're gonna get it to go.
No more.
No more.
Yeah, it's like sold out.
Oh, what we were looking for is sold out. Well, let's walk across the street and see what this is. Or do you want to ride up here and see? What do you think? I like that grill. Nothing you see you like? Oh, ran out of the chicken. So what do you want to try now?
Just bring this first up home and go.
I'll keep you updated. We're gonna take this stuff home, drop it off, and figure out what we're gonna do for dinner. We might just have to go out later and grab some. We decided on KFC. We got the $2.99 bucket. I'll show you the menu. That is a rice bowl. Pretty cool, huh? Got the KFC, now I gotta head home. KFC and a movie on Netflix. An awesome night. Some people might hate that I got KFC today, but you know what? It's good to have a little bit of Western food. This is all that's left out of the bucket between the two of us. I want to thank you for joining us for our typical Saturday adventure. And until next time, everyone, like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification if you can, and if not, I appreciate your help and appreciate your views. Have yourself a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Goodbye, everybody. Have a great day.